In this problem, we'll find an equation of a line. We'll find an equation of the line that contains the point 3, 5 and has the slope 1. Since the slope is defined, the equation of the line can be written in the form y equals mx plus b. And we know that the slope is 1, m is 1, so we can substitute 1 for m. That would give us y equals 1 times x plus b, or simply y equals x plus b. However, we're not given the y-intercept, so somehow we have to find what b would equal. We are given one point that's on the line. Now, since this point is on the line, it needs to satisfy this equation. In other words, this is true when x is 3 and y is 5. So if we substitute 3 for x and 5 for y in this equation, we can solve for b. Subtracting 3 from both sides, we have 2 equals b. Now, since the slope is 1 and b is 2, we can write our equation as y equals 1 times x, or x, plus 2, or I've substituted 2 for the b. And this is an equation of the line with this point and this slope.